Hi, I'm Bob Cutler from Agilent Technologies, soon to be Keysight Technologies, and I'd like to show you a little bit of what we have going on here in the booth. First of all, I'm going to start with some existing mmWave technology. This is actually an old developer module from Cybeam. It's got a 32-element beam-steered array antenna, and we're showing a picture live streaming video from a camera over here. Very robust technology. So mmWave is exciting new technology for 5G, but in other places it's actually a maturing technology. What we also have here is a bunch of equipment that we're using to generate wideband modulated signals, put them up at 60 gigahertz. So 2 gigahertz wide signals at 60 gigahertz. And in this particular setup, I'm doing channel sounding. Now this is a little bit different than maybe what you're used to seeing, because over on this side, I actually have two receivers. One pointed directly at this at the antenna, so this is our direct path receiver. And I also have a second receiver just kind of pointed off at the wall, and this is going to be picking up our reflected receiver. So if you come over to the display here, what you'll see is we have the channel impulse response in green of the direct path and the channel impulse response in blue of the reflected path. And the marker is showing that down at 4.7 nanoseconds delayed. And we can overlay the channel frequency response with the spectrum, and it all makes sense. The other thing we're showing is our 802.11ad demodulation package. It actually does wireless HD and 802.11ad, Y-gig kinds of things. And this has got full error correction and error vector magnitude computations. Also has channel impulse response because that's part of the signal. And this is used today to help developers of the 802.11ad systems both interoperate, because we kind of serve as a common reference, but also to help them with their circuit designs, isolate problems like phase noise on the signal, IQ imbalance, quadrature imbalance, and those sorts of things. So that's what we have here today. We're also pleased to be supporting the 5G Summit with Ted Rappaport's new book, complimentary copies from Agilent Technologies. And Maury Rumney, one of my colleagues here, has also got a new book, the second edition of lte-a, and the evolution of 4G wireless. So that's what we have.